This cleaning hack, oh my gosh. So this side of my sink wouldn't really drain properly. All right, I was like, well, what's going on? Maybe I need some liquid plumber. No, you don't. Take baking soda and you pack it in. See how it's going down the drain? You gotta pack it in there. Pack it down. And you pack it in until you can't really get any more down there. Just grab some vinegar and let it do its magic. Rinse, and there you go. Look how fast it runs.
This is a public service announcement to anybody who owns a Tangle Teezer hairbrush. So guys, I don't know if you know, but you can actually open these things up and clean inside them, and I would really recommend doing it. So today, this was my friend's Tangle Teezer. She's been using it in the shower for 3 years and has never cleaned inside it. So as you can see, it was absolutely full of black mould. So I used some mould remover spray and a little brush just to remove it all. Guys, if you've got one of these at home, then please open it up and have a look. You'll be so shocked.
This lady at the store told me that if I spray hairspray on my bleached shirt, it'll go away.
Hairspray.
And here's the result.
Let's see. She just had spray, right? This. Are you kidding me? It's going away.
Oh my God, you guys. This has to be the most clutch hack ever. You have to save this. You might not use it today or tomorrow, but I never thought I would need this until about a week ago when this happened to me in our brand new house. I got paint on the floor and I was literally gonna cry. I thought we were gonna have to throw the whole house away. My husband came in with this whole idea, and if you don't have a carpet cleaner, this is for you. All you need is hot water. You scrape it up at the beginning, all the excess that you can, and then you pour hot water on it and you vacuum it with a shop vac. And look at this. It looks brand new. You guys, where have I been? More that I somehow just didn't know about. And hopefully you'll save this so one day when you need it, you have it.
Black permanent marker accidentally put onto the whiteboard.
Oh no!
And it won't come off. Dara, a minute. Look, it doesn't come off at all. Oops, you've ruined your whiteboard.
Let's see if this black marker can do the job.
Look, a proper whiteboard marker going all over the blue mark.
Making sure she gets every single bit.
Right. Look
Then
at this.
It will come off.
It all comes off. Isn't that amazing?
The gasket was especially bad, so I think I did this process about 8 times. Don't forget the detergent tray and rinse. And here's the end results. It's a little discolored, but I'll take it. Thanks for watching. What should I clean next?
Got some stains on your driveway you want to get rid of? And got an old lawnmower laying around? Works dandy.
Confession time, I've never washed my garbage disposal. Oh my god. Once again, I'm mortified. Oh my god, gross. Always unplug your disposal before sticking your hand down the drain. We wash this part more regularly and it still looks like this. A cleaning toothbrush and dish soap can do wonders. Next, I left some baking soda in for 1 hour. Then I added some vinegar for a volcano effect. And topped it off with some boiling water. Then I added some rock salt and some ice to clean the blades. And ground it up. It looks so much better now. Lastly, I added some citrus to fix the smell. My garbage disposal has never sounded so clean. Thanks for watching. What should I clean next?